children.
Hello, dear children. I am Owl, and today I will tell you about the fascinating world of computer science, specifically programming in Python. It is a very useful skill that allows you to create all sorts of interesting things. Get ready for an adventure with my little animal friends. At the playground, Kitten and Puppy met up. Kitten, full of curiosity, began telling Puppy that he heard Python is a type of snake that can program. Puppy, thinking this was true, started to wonder how such a snake could write code. They both began to laugh, imagining a snake with a laptop writing programs. In the end, I explained to them that Python is a programming language, not a snake. By the pond, Parrot and Sparrow were talking about how they use Python to solve puzzles. Parrot said she can create a program that helps find the best place to play. Sparrow added that thanks to Python, you can create games to play with friends. Hearing their enthusiasm, I explained to them that Python is very versatile and can be used for various tasks, from games to data analysis. At the dock, Rat and Guinea Pig were playing. I asked them to answer questions about Python. I asked them what can be created using this language. Rat, thinking cleverly, replied that you can create a data analysis program, and Guinea Pig added that you can also create mobile applications. I was pleased with their answers and praised them for their knowledge. In the end, I am back with you, dear children. Today we learned that Python is a programming language that allows us to create all sorts of interesting things, such as games or applications. I hope you now understand how important computer science is and how much can be accomplished with it. See you next time.